If you would like to play games from the PlayStation 1 and you do not have it, you can use the PS1 simulator. The emulator works on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Android. In the description of the film there is a link to the article where the program is located. Download it to your computer and unpack the package. Now run the program. Now we will configure your emulator. Select Config. Wizard Guide. Choose options just like in the movie. In the controller option you have to set the buttons for your controller or keyboard. Your emulator is pre-configured. In the video settings, you can set the graphics detail of your game, but before you do that, start the game to check if it works. Select image with your game.